How to follow topics on Twitter. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to follow topics on Twitter. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your mobile device, first of all, open up the Twitter application. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account and you land on your home page, now tap on your profile icon from the upper left corner. Now from this menu bar, you will get an topic option right under monetization. But in my case, I don't have that access currently. In your case, you will just find it right under monetization. So tap on topics, and after you go through that, after you go through that, you can follow the topics as you wish. And as simple as that, you can simply follow topics on Twitter. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe. And do not forget to like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.